Hello dear. In this video, we are going to learn some examples of checkbox lists. This is the first example. Here, this is one checkbox list, and this is a label, and another one. Here is a one button. So these are some items has been listed over here, just as you can see over here. How to add the items? I have shown in the previous video. Go to the edit items, and from here you can edit the items, add the items. Also, through the source also you can add the items. Through the here you can see this is an ASP checkbox list, and these are the list of the items. Suppose you want to add it, just go to the new line, and here again write down ASP list item and these technologies and new technology, and then close this ASP. Uh, and then this is the end of the checkbox list. So in this way you can add the item through the source as well as to the your design part. And these are the properties of checkbox list. So you can see different properties of checkbox list. Now here, as in this example, we have taken a button, so no need of auto post back method. Now, what is our auto post back method? If we click it as in a true, then whenever we are selecting that particular item, that information will be sent to the server. Right now it has been set as a false, and the layout we can see over here, repeat column 0 means in a single column you can see the data. Repeat direction vertical, by default it has been kept, and repeat layout, it is a table one. So you can change. Suppose I want to keep it as an horizontal and flow layout. So let's see how exactly it looks. So this is a horizontal and flow layout. Flow layout, it is continuously. So it is not a good way to present that list items. So we can take as an vertical layout. Set it as a vertical. And this one table. So these are the properties. Now let's see to the coding part. Okay, so this is a basic coding. Here button one click, it is an event when you click on the button. I will show you. This is a button show result. Go to the properties. Here you can see this is for the font, and show result, it is a text, so that's why on that button show result text has been displayed. And here if you go to the event, click event, so for the click event you can see button one click method function will be get called. Now let's go to the source part. Here within the source part you can also write down the script, or even you can write down the script into another file, C# file. So in both way output will be the same. So here within the source code, that is within the HTML source code part, the script has been written. So script run at server, and this one button click event. For the button click event you can see here label one dot text, you selected items, and here for loop iteration we required, because checkbox list it is used for the multiple selection. So for the multiple selections we have to check that how many items has been checked, and whether these items are selected, then that items just we want to display with the help of the label one dot text. So for that, iterate through all these checkbox list items, and this listbox li object, it will select out that particular item is selected true or not. If it is selected true, then label one dot text will be assigned with the this object dot text, selected object dot text value, and it will be added to the label one dot text. So first of all, label one dot text will be having this text. Again, this plus equal means it will be concatenated with the next strings li dot text, that is a selected text. So the previous example, it is also the same one, but There, with the help of auto post back method, whenever we are selecting the item, directly it is sending to the server and displaying on the browser. But here in this example, we are setting auto post back method as a false one. It is not enabled true. Then we have to generate an event with the help of some button. So click on that button, and at the back end of code of the button, you have to write down this code for selection of that items. Now let's go to the design part and let's run this program. Checkbox list example 1. Now here select your favorite. Okay, I select PHP, then show result. Click on the show result. You can see even though I am clicking on the any of the items, but it will not be listed until and unless I click on the button, because that event that selected items, that code has been written with the help of the button, and auto post back method, it is a false one. I click JSP, click on show result, JSP has been added. I unselect JSP, show result, JSP has been removed. Every time when you click on the button, it will iterate all this list, and it will find out which are the items are selected, and that items are listed in that li object, and this li.text that will be written, that will be concatenated in that label1.text. Okay, so this is an output. Another example we will see. Okay, this is the same example, that first example we have seen. Just with the help of auto post back method, your data going to be selected. Only the difference is that the source code, that is your HTML code, design part code, and the script code has been written on the same page. So here see the design part. So these are the items, item 1 to item 6, and in the source code, this is in a script part. Here check underscore click, this is this method, it will be generated when you are just selecting any of the items, and this you can see here. Go to the properties, and it's the event selected index change, and it will be called with the check underscore clicked. So in the check underscore click, message.text. Now this message, this is a label. You can see over here, message, it is the name of the label. So same here, for loop has been taken, and number of items has been counted, and it is iterated through every items that are selected has been true, and then these items with the help of array indexing and it's a text value will be returned to the message.text. So this is the same program that the first program we have seen with the help of auto post back method, but only the thing is that this code is written within the same page, within the same source page. Now here you can see this is your checkbox list source code. Now here auto post back method, yes, this one auto post back method, it is a true one. This is important for this program. And one another property, on selected index change is equal to check clicked. So it will, when any of the index is changed, it is clicked, then it will invoke this method. So we learned 3 examples, that is one with the help of auto post back method, and another with the help of external button event. We can find out which are the different items are selected for checkbox list. So we'll stop here. Thank you.